My dear students, let's listen to the details of the chapter A Hero written by R.K. Narayan. Let's talk about the introduction of the chapter, introduction of the story. What the story is all about. A Hero is a simple and lucid story by R.K. Narayan. It is built around the theme that children live in a world of dreams and fantasy. They are always haunted by a feeling of insecurity, a fear of the unknown. They feel happy and secure in the closeness of their parents and grandparents. In their imagination, they are always thinking of doing heroic deeds and coming into limelight. Swami is the central character of the story. He becomes a hero by fluke. One night, when Swami is sleeping in the office room of his father, a burglar breaks into the room. Fear is stricken. Swami hugs him and uses his teeth so forcefully that the burglar is mortally wounded. A Hero written by R.K. Narayan contains the story of a child of second form named Swami who suddenly becomes a hero by nabbing a notorious burglar. Swami's father dislikes his excessive dependence on his mother and grandmother. He feels Swami is grown up enough to sleep alone. Encouraged by the bravery of a village boy, he challenges Swami to sleep alone in his office room. Swami is at first afraid, but father tells him to shed his cowardice. Courage is not the matter of physical strength or age, it is an attitude of mind. Swami sleeps alone. At midnight, when a burglar enters the room, Swami maintains his presence of mind. In a moment of crisis, he behaves in a manner that is unbelievable. He hugs the burglar and uses his teeth as a weapon. He injures the burglar. Thus, he helps in getting a notorious burglar arrested. The incident makes him a hero. A hero is the most appropriate title for the story which describes the bravery of two little boys. The story begins with the fathers coming across a new item which, de- which comes with a news item which details a village boy's fight with a tiger. The boy escapes the clutches of the tiger by climbing a tree. The story ends with the bravery of another child, Swami, who maintains balance of his mind in the moment of extreme crisis. By his bravery, he gets the notorious burglar arrested. Congratulations are showered on him. His classmates look at him with respect. His teacher pats him and he becomes a hero. Both the boys act heroically. True strength and age are not important, but courage certainly is. So, a hero is an absolutely apt title for this story.